Good day, M4740. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Flor Marie Bosa Tagit. I'm 46 years old, blessed with two children, aged 24 and 16 years old. I'm a Roman Catholic and I'm high school graduate.
Okay, I saw that you have experience in Kuwait. What are your main duty and responsibility as a helper?
My main duties are taking care of the children, especially the newborn baby. And I do also the household chores like laundry, ironing, washing dishes, cleaning the house, cooking, and all general household chores.
Okay, and you have also experience in Saudi Arabia. What are your main duty and responsibility as a helper there?
My main duties as a helper in Saudi Arabia are taking care of the children, ages a 5 months old baby, 2 years old, 3 years old, cooking, ironing, cleaning the house, ironing, and all general household chores.
Okay, and you have another experience somewhere in Hong Kong. What are your main duty and responsibility in your first employer in Hong Kong?
My main duties in Hong Kong are taking care of one dog, cooking, ironing, laundry, gardening, marketing, ironing, and working sometimes with grandma.
Okay, and you have another employer in Hong Kong. And what are your main duty there as a helper?
My main duties are gardening, cleaning the fish pond, laundry, ironing, sometimes cooking.
And you also car wash.
Yes, sir.
How many car do you wash?
2 cars, sir.
Okay. I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby. How will you prepare or how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Before I prepare the milk of the baby, I need to wash my hand first and then sterilize the bottle of the baby and then shake first the remaining amount of the water and then I'll put the right amount of milk and water. After that, I'll shake it and then I will check the temperature before I will give to the newborn baby.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby will cry, I will do. First, I will check if he or she have a fever and then I will check the diaper if it's full or she is hungry.
And if the baby is still crying after you check the diaper, what will you do?
I will
You will check the.
temperature.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I want to work in Hong Kong again for the future of my children and they have a fair laws.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I want to work in Hong Kong after I finish my contract. If my employer will want me to continue my service, I will work for them.
Okay. I know that you know how to cook Chinese food. What kind of Chinese food can you cook?
Steamed fish, fried vegetable, making soup, and then steamed chicken, sir.
Okay. If the employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you.
Yes, of course, sir.
If one of the member of your employer don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Very well, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir, of
It is
course.
okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
Okay, last question. What will be the message for your future employer?
My message to my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your new domestic helper. I'm a hardworking, trustworthy, honest, polite, cheerful, and I love children and I love pets.
Okay, thank you very much. M4740, Miss Flor Marie. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.